where we should be too. Sunset time is now 4:52. Seasonable for our Friday. Taking a look at our satellite and our radar, there are areas dealing with rain and snow with the connection to the upper lakes, but for us in western New York, well, we just have some added clouds. We'll call it partly sunny. There are some areas, especially through the southern tier, that has a little more sunshine, and leading into the evening, we're actually going to get some more clearing to take place. As it happens, though, we are going to watch our temperatures drop into the 30s. So a chillier night ahead as we drop to about the freezing mark. We'll also have winds fairly light, and notice they're going to start to shift out of the southeast. With that, we begin to warm things up and going above average for our forecast on Saturday, and especially near the lakeshore communities. We'll have temperatures that are rising into the mid and even upper 50s. We are going to talk about rain coming into the forecast, even for Niagara Falls, just taking a little more time here, along with some scattered shower chances and thunderstorm chances into our Saturday afternoon, although this is going to come in fairly quickly. So around 1 o'clock, the skies are going to get dark. We'll have scattered showers, thunderstorms, and by 7 to 10 o'clock at night, we're going to have this system pass on by. Then the colder air starts to filter in, and we'll talk about what that means in a second. So we start the day on Saturday with some sunshine, temperatures rising through the 40s. We'll be in the 50s into the afternoon, and as this front comes in, excuse me, the thunderstorm chances are also going to be there. Looking at our hourly forecast, this is how it all plays out. We begin our Friday evening with mainly clear skies. We'll call it partly cloudy into Saturday morning. It's kind of the high thin clouds, a lot like early today. And then by the afternoon hours, we're going to then watch scattered showers approach. The main brunt of this between 1 and around 3 o'clock, with the potential for thunderstorms to roll on by. Into the evening, we're still holding on to some rain around the dinner hour or so, but later into the evening, by 11 o'clock, much of this has gone on by. We're drier, but we're still going to then turn to colder air and the connection to the upper lakes, the winds coming out of the northwest. So what do we deal with? Lake effect snow. It's going to be south and north of Buffalo, and even coming up towards the stadium into our day on Sunday. So expect some rain and snow showers, temperatures in the 30s. It's going to feel like the 20s. We're going to have gusts that are around 40 miles an hour. So dress appropriately. It's going to be a fun day at the I want to say the Ralph. That's old speaking though. And as for any snowfall totals into Monday, mainly on the hills south of Buffalo, temperatures are going from the 50s to the 40s into the 30s for early next week.